In 2025, earning big without a college degree is possible through high-income skills. Skills such as digital marketing, coding, graphic design, content writing, and data analysis can all be learned for free. Many people are successfully leveraging these skills to make $5,000 to $10,000 monthly working remotely. Dive into online resources, cultivate your talent, and open doors to financial freedom beyond traditional education. Skill number 1, AI content creation. Tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney have changed the game. Learn how to write blogs, emails, or design ebooks. Clients on Fiverr and Upwork pay $30 to $100 per project. Skill number 2, video editing, short form. Every business now wants viral reels, TikToks, or shorts. Learn CapCut or Adobe Premiere. Free tutorials are everywhere. One video equals $50 to $200, even without experience. Skill number 3, Notion automation / template design. Notion isn't just a note app anymore. Design productivity templates or dashboards. People are buying them on Gumroad, Etsy, and Twitter for $10 to $50 each. Skill number 4, UGC creator, no face needed. Brands are paying $100 to $300 per UGC video review. No face needed, just your hands, voice, or even AI voice. TikTok plus Amazon creators are killing it with this. Skill number 5, affiliate marketing. Promote tools you already use. Finance apps, gadgets, AI tools. Make reels with text plus AI voice plus links. Every purchase equals passive income. Studio microphone, 156 to 210, closed strong plus CTA. All these skills are 100% free to learn on YouTube. Start with 1. Take action. Money won't fall from the sky, but it will flow to the skilled. Backend Index Pointing Right. Subscribe for more real financial knowledge.